swap tires around on this truck.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to start school Friday, and these front ones are pretty wore out.
Yeah, they're done.
I've got to put. I got some uppers to put up here. Put these new, my 35s back on. Go get alignment, and hopefully, you'll get some actual time out. Figured it out. I put them on in September of 24. Took them off in April of 25 because it was gone within 6 months. Well, 8 months, but
damn. We are going to swap out the uppers up here too?
No, I ain't got time to not.
Okay.
We need to put it on the lift for that shit anyway.
Yeah, lift would be better.
It'd be a lot easier.
These are new.
We them brand new tires though.
They look good.
Yeah, they do. Little backstory. When I bought them brand new tires.
Talk to the camera.
Huh?
Talk to the camera.
Little backstory when I bought these brand new tires. I went to like all the different tire shops around my area. And they're going to charge me $140 per wheel to swap the old ones off and put the new ones on because they said it's so hard. Me and my dad put those on with a homemade machine in 30 minutes.
Lazy shops. You know what we need, Travis? We need like those big fancy jacks that NASCAR uses where it's like up in the air with one pump.
Oh, God, yeah.
Then we need to practice seeing how long it takes us to fucking change the tire. All right, let me know when it's up.
Be a lot of her.
That thing's fucking handy, I'll tell you what. Bright as shit. You guys are probably gonna see this video before you see the video of us working on the car. So don't question it. Damn. Damn. All right. It'll probably have to go up more with the 35s. I hate these fucking lug nuts, dude.
Yeah, they're junk. But yeah, I'm starting school about an hour away. So when I come off shift, I have to go straight and watch them wires.
Yeah, I just poked myself in the face.
I have to go straight to there. And I figured, I'm driving an hour away. I probably need to get some decent tires on the front of this truck. So
yeah,
I ran these from summer of 23 until April of 25 last year. So
yeah.
You bought time to
already used tires on it, didn't you?
Yeah, but I put 2 new ones on it in September last year, and I've had those laying around since then.
The only thing I don't like about this, I don't know which fucking lug it is. It's got to go up. All right, this should be good. These are fucking heavy.
Yeah, they are. Let me show you a trick Dad taught me.
What?
Leverage.
Oh,
he's a master of leverage. Check this out.
I think it's got to rotate. I don't think those are the right ones.
I guess I know those are the ones that's shiny. See shiny ones?
That's fucking teamwork.
All right. There it is. How nice is that?
Very. Can't believe that came with 2 of those.
Yes, I got one in the truck, one in here. Hell, we'd look for these things for about 30 minutes down there.
I bet.
I couldn't remember what we did with them.
Oh, yours are different spline drives than I've got.
Yeah, they're big.
There we go.
Yeah, with that leveling kit, it just didn't look right with them stock wheels and tires on it.
No.
It's gonna look so much better with that back on there. Want to check the tire pressure on these front ones. Was this got enough to hit to make the beads pop? You got a tire checker, pressure checker?
Yeah, in the first tall drawer on the red one.
All right.
It doesn't hook up to air though, so.
That's fine. I just need to be able to check it.
Get the fuck on there. Ugh. They don't make this kind of shit for fat guys.
No.
You guys know that, right?
I think the radio's cracked.
Wouldn't be surprised. Oh man,
Dog.
That ain't good. Went to take the damn lug nut off.
That ain't good.
Just straight up took the stud off.
Cracked this image right off there. That ain't good.
Damn Cobalt Impact's got so much torque it fucking ripped the stud.
I barely moved this some bitch.
That's
Hell
gonna
far.
That's gonna be fun to get off.
Now I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. Damn. Well, I need a breaker bar.
Just use that.
Yeah, we'll try that. Might snap it like that one did.
That's not good.
Nope.
You guys about right there for now. And it's a good thing we bought that tire change kit, huh?
Yeah.
We've got like a surplus store near us, guys. And they had this oh, it was already unlocked. They had this nice Craftsman tire change kit.
You want to see some horse shit? See that?
Right at the edge, wasn't it?
No, look. It might have went 3 turns on the damn thing and snapped it off.
Wow.
That thing was just ready to go. Piece of shit. American-made junk. In Canada.
Yeah, guys, look at this. Look at this damn
That far shit.
torque wrench. It's
Yeah.
nice. We've used it for sure. Actually, it's what I was using when I was taking off his K-member. You get it?
I think so.
What's up? I love the smell of coolant. Don't you guys? Just coolant leaking. Yeah, it always smells so great. All right.
Good.
Just barely.
You got it on there?
Yep.
Oh, hell yeah.
So for now, we use that row because obviously one
Where's
broke.
that socket? Spline draw socket.
Oh, it's in my pocket.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna wear my other hoodie, the one I've been working in.
Yeah.
But I was like, we're gonna be out in the cold, and this hoodie's a lot thicker. Bought this at fucking Lowe's. You can tell this was a rear wheel
Yeah.
because it's not brown.
Oh no, that one, this one over here was on this wheel because this caliper locked up.
Oh yeah.
You racist.
Mine has more torque.
I don't think it does. I think it's the same. I just think you was being a pussy last night.
Blame me when
Because you was just going, big,
that wasn't me
big,
doing
but on
it.
yours you said, big!
That was the impact.
I saw you
stopping.
taking your hand off the trigger.
Yeah,
Don't you lie to me.
You have to, otherwise they won't keep
You
going.
just a hater of Cobalt.
Sorry, what was that? I couldn't hear you.
You a hater of Cobalt. I'll say it louder. You a hater of Cobalt. If it's blue, it ain't for you. We're not, okay, that's bird shit. I thought this was a big ass scratch on my fender.
Ah.
I'm about to turn this thing around, back it in.
Yeah. Sounds like a fine idea to me.
Let me,
It looks so much better.
here goes to another 8 to 12 months of not keeping my truck clean at all. So I don't do that anyway.
Yeah, it's not like it makes a difference. You never wash the thing.
I mean, shit, all the rust in it. Hell, if I wash it, it's going to wash more rust off of it.
The more you wash the truck, the less truck you have.
That's right. Got that Bubba truck. Give me your 35s on that thing.
This truck sounds so much better. Said your truck sounds so good.
It's that fucking Roush, dude.
It's just a Roush catback.
It sounds so good. All right, then. Let's
When
go
this
under
thing
the
finally
pumpkin and knock them
decides
both
the
out.
frame wants to split, we're taking that catback off.
I told Courtney yesterday, I said, dude, when the transmission lets go in this truck, I'm just going to part it out. Give you all the interior, and I'll take the damn Coyote, throw it in the Fox body.
There we go.
At that point, I mean, I'll be sinking more money into it, putting a transmission in it than what it's worth.
Oh, yeah.
And all the rust. I don't know if y'all could see, that bed is gone. The floor in it is gone. You can stand right here and feel like you're falling through it. If it wasn't for the bed liner, you'd be through it.
Oh, 100%. It's bad.
But this bed is gone. Rocker panels, pretty bad, but they can be fixed. The bumper is shot. Other than that, it's a decent truck. The rest of the way, but God mighty, dude, just needs a lot of work. 5.5 foot bed. Can't find one that's rust free for under $1,500. I ain't paying that much for no bed and no truck. I ain't gonna do it. All right, I'm gonna go under the pumpkin.
Go under the pumpkin.
Go under the pumpkin.
You know, I think after so many years of doing that on the red car, I think that's why my diff leaks.
Probably. Which, I mean, that's how all the tire shops do it.
I know.
Unless they put it on a, one of them big lifts, fancy lifts and shit.
Hey, there's a razor blade right there.
Hell yeah, there is.
Powered by Motorola.
They coming up here?
Nope. They stay better now. I got a gun.
Ready?
Yeah. All right. I don't know why I took this out. Here's this. That DeWalt just works so much better.
Fuck you.
Don't listen to the haters, guys. By DeWalt. It's always good practice to double check your torque on your wheels, because if you don't, you might have a bad incident like this. If I can find the picture of that, hopefully. So Dark 30. Oh, there's a damn tire pressure checker in the toolkit.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Digital too. Cameraman Donnie.
All right.
Nice. Yes. We'll call it here for the night.
Appreciate y'all sticking around. That was just a little, kind of like a little side video type deal just to get that
The reason
done.
why we're sidetracked. But
Tomorrow we'll be back in here getting some welding done on this car. Hopefully get the new panels put in. And we'll pick back up on normally scheduled programming.
yeah, I'll work on editing because I got a lot of that to do. Turn the fucking screen on. Because we got a lot of that to do, so.
Yep. I'm going to be on a 36-hour shift and then go straight to school after that. So it'll be a fun time.
Yeah.
Well, till next time.
See ya. Well, we got both sides welded in. Looking fantastic.